Let's see. Today's topic spectra, a spectrum. Okay, here what is called an spectrum? Generally, the image recorded when electromagnetic radiation, that is nothing but radiant energy, is passed through a prism, is called a spectrum. For example, so I have taken one light. See this? It is nothing but a white light. It is passed through a prism. The light is passed through a prism. After that, it is splitting into a 7 colors. It is splitting into a 7 colors. It is also called dispersion. It is splitting into 7 colors. Now I have taken here one screen. So it is splitting into a 7 colors. So what about these 7 colors? With jaw, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. When the white light is passed through a prism, it is splitting into 7 colors. This property is also known as dispersion. This splitting is also known as dispersion. Now on screen, we get here spectrum. On screen here, we get the spectrum. It is nothing but like rainbow. Now, particularly, here which device or operators used to record spectrum is called spectrograph or spectrometer. Spectrograph or spectrometer. Now, particularly in this case, okay, we are getting the 7 colors. The 7 colors we are getting like continually. Generally here we are observed. Generally here we are observed one color merges into another color, merges like rainbow. One color merges into another color. We get the here one spectrum that is called continuous spectrum. So what we can say that is called continuous. Okay, continuous spectrum. So here continuous spectrum means what about that? There is no gap between color to color. one color merges into another color, we get the spectrum that is called continuous spectrum. Here we get particularly continuous spectrum. All colors here appear. Now, discontinuous spectrum means the spectrum having distinct and well-defined lines with gap, like dark areas, is called discontinuous spectrum. Okay, discontinuous spectrum means, for example, if here I have taken one gas, so it is a container, I have taken one gas. Okay, now I have passed through, otherwise, okay, here I have passed through the light. So the emitted light. So now this light I have taken on screen. If before this light having, if 7 colors are there, after passing through this gas, the emission light, if the transmitted light, if we are recorded on the screen, if here I observe, see this. If I observe here on photographic plate on screen, only these colors. Okay, here, before having 7 colors, after passing through gas, the transmitted light having only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Here, some colors are missing. Which color? One is the indigo, other one is the yellow. Now here, if you are observed the spectrum, so here some places we observed gas, dark lines. Okay, out of 7 colors here, we observed 2 places dark lines. Dark lines means here this wavelength radiation is missing. Which one here? It is one is the indigo, other one is the yellow. For example, what is the meaning of that? Here before the light having 7 colors, but after passing through gas, what we are getting the spectrum? The spectrum we are observed 2 dark lines. Okay, empty place. Here there is no radiation. So these 2 radiations or energies or wavelengths are absorbed by gas. Because of that reason, here missing the 2 wavelengths light. This type of spectrums are called discontinuous spectrum. What we can say? Discontinuous spectrum. Discontinuous spectrum. It is a continuous spectrum. There is no gap between the light. So here some gaps are present. Some dark areas are present. That is called discontinuous spectrum. If there is no gap between the wavelength or light to light, so that is called continuous spectrum. Now listen. The spectra is mainly classified into 2 types. The spectra is mainly classified into 2 types. First one, absorption spectrum and emission spectrum, emission. Absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. Now, so here absorption spectrum means the spectrum produced by transmitted light after absorption of radiation. What is the meaning of that? If I have taken, it is a white light. Now here it is passed through, okay, one tube. The tube having, I have taken one gas. So it is nothing but whatever that sodium vapors. Sodium vapors. Now it, what about that? It transmitted light. So now this transmitted light, okay, I have passed through the normal prism, otherwise directly on screen if we are observed. Now here we are getting the spectrum on screen. We are getting the spectrum on screen, absorption spectrum. If before the white light contain if 7 colors, if after passing through sodium vapors, what we are getting the spectrum, if the spectrum having, see this, if the spectrum having, we are observed only here 5 colors. What about the remaining 2 colors? Missing colors. These are absorbed by sodium vapors. These are absorbed by sodium vapors, this substance. Because of the absorption of fixed wavelength radiation, here we get the spectrum. This is called absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum. Generally, it contains dark lines on the bright background. What is the meaning of that? Dark lines on the bright background. Okay, which colors are missing? The colors place we are observed dark lines. So here these are the dark lines on the bright background. What is the meaning of that? So before 7 colors are there. When we are passing through the light through sodium vapors, okay, the sodium vapors absorb the 2 colors, 2 color radiations, nothing but energy. So after that we are getting the spectrum. The spectrum having, we are observed only 5 colors. What about the meaning of that? Here 2 colors are missing. What are the color? Indigo and yellow. Indigo and yellow. These are the missing colors here. These colors are absorbed by which one? Sodium. The colors are absorbed by which one? Sodium. See this. Because due to absorption of radiations, we get the spectrum here. That is called absorption spectrum. It contains dark lines on the bright background. Dark lines on the bright background. Okay, if I have referred, it is one is the indigo, other one is the yellow. Missing. These are absorbed by the sodium vapors. Now, after that. This is called absorption spectrum, because due to absorption of radiation or energy or color, okay, we get the spectrum here. It is called absorption spectrum. Now emission spectrum means, now I will take the here sodium vapors once. Series sodium vapors. So I have heated this. Now it emits the radiations. It emits the radiations. Now here I have taken screen. Now here that is recorded on the screen. So on the screen here we are observed bright lines on the dark background before sodium vapors absorb the radiations, absorb the energy, indigo and yellow related energy. When it absorbs the energy, the sodium, the electrons are goes to lower energy levels to higher energy levels. When the sodium vapors absorb energy which contain electrons, electrons are, by taking that energy, these are slowly moved to lower orbits to higher orbits, K, L, M, N, like that. But according to theories, higher orbit electrons are unstable. Because of that reason, the electrons are try to come back ground state. How it will come back ground state? It emits, it loses the energy. Again, it loses the energy. These are come back the ground state. It emits the energy. Here also same like that. The sodium vapors emitted the radiation, emitted the energy. That emitted radiation, if we can take on screen, if we are recorded that, we get the spectrum. That spectrum is called emission spectrum. So the spectrum produced by emission of radiation, that is called emission spectrum. Okay, particularly with respect to same, if we can take the here, this is the which is spectrum, absorption spectrum. It is called absorption. If we can take the emission spectrum, here we are getting, see this. Here, so where here, see, dark lines are there. In that place, we are observed bright lines on the dark background. See this. See the difference. See. So here, dark lines on the bright background. Bright background here more, dark lines less. Here missing radiations. Indigo and yellow. In that place we have observed dark lines. Okay, in same sodium vapors, that absorbed radiations it can emit here. When the emitted radiation we are collected on screen, we observed. So here, what we are observed, bright lines on the dark background. So dark background, bright lines. See here, dark line, which color? Indigo. Same here, it is up here. Here it is the yellow. Here same here, it is up here. Which colors are missing here? The colors we are here up here. The spectrum is formed by due to the emission of radiation. Because of that reason, It is called emission spectrum. It contains bright lines on the dark background. It contains, what about that? Dark lines on the bright background. See this, with respect to same elements, with respect to same substance, it will match in both of. Here, which are disappears. Okay, generally the type of radiation, wavelength or light or color, same here appear. This type of spectrums are formed by due to the absorption of radiation. This type of spectrums are formed by due to the emission of radiation. Because of that reason, it is called absorption spectrum. It is called emission spectrum. Here, both the spectrums are almost discontinuous. It is a discontinuous spectrum. It is also discontinuous spectrum, not continuous. Discontinuous, discontinuous. If, with respect to sodium, if it gives the two dark lines, here same sodium here, it can give the two bright lines, same wavelength bright lines. If these wavelengths, this dark lines wavelength, which is present here, the bright line wavelength same present, colors also same, yellow, yellow, indigo, indigo. This spectrum is we are getting due to the absorption of radiation. So absorption spectrum, this spectrum we are getting due to emission of radiation. Emission spectrum, both belongs to here discontinuous. It is enough here. Further, emission spectrum can be classified into two types. The emission spectrum, it is further classified as a line spectrum and band spectrum. Line spectrum and band spectrum. Generally, the line spectrum, which contain sharp, distinct, well-defined lines. Okay, like this, sharp, distinct, well-defined lines are present. This is called line spectrum. Line spectrum, generally these are produced gaseous atoms. It is the characteristic of gaseous atoms. So it is also referred as a atomic spectrum. Atoms, atomic spectrum. Generally gaseous atoms are gives this type of line emission spectrum. So that is also called atomic spectrum. Here, band spectrum means generally in band spectrum we are observed many closed lines, like as a many closed lines, small, it is like one band, it is like one more band, like this. The type of spectrums are called band spectrum, many closed lines, like as a band, like as this is a 4 lines band, next band, that is called band spectrum. Band emission spectrum. Band spectrum is the characteristic of gaseous molecules. Generally, gaseous molecules are used band spectrum. These are look like as a bands. Because of that reason, it is also referred as a molecular spectrum. Line spectrum, it is due to the transition of electrons between energy levels in an atom. Line spectrum is formed by due to transition, moving of electrons between energy levels in an atom. So band spectrum is due to the vibration and radiational charges of atoms in a molecules. Generally, it is formed by due to the atoms due to the atoms, electrons moving energy levels. It is formed by a molecule atoms vibrations. It is given by generally inert gases, line spectrum, metal vapors and atoms. It is given by inert gases and metal vapors and atoms. But band spectrum, it is given by hot metals and molecules. Mainly it is given by hot metals and molecules, band spectrum. Line spectrum is given by atoms and metal vapors and inert gases also. Inert gas is nothing but atoms, so helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, these are. Along with the metal vapors and atoms are give line spectrum, and metals, hot metals and molecules are give band spectrum. So it is enough here, spectrum classification. Then the important spectrum, hydrogen emission spectrum. What is called an hydrogen emission spectrum? Now